Welcome back to our channel. If you're a content creator looking to grow your audience and increase your subscriber count, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to share with you some expert tips on how to get more subscribers on YouTube. Engaging content. The key to gaining more subscribers on YouTube is to consistently create high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. This means finding your niche and creating content that is both entertaining and valuable. Whether you're a beauty guru, a gaming channel, or a vlogger, it's important to know who your audience is and what they're looking for. Optimize your channel. In order to attract more subscribers, it's crucial to optimize your channel. This includes creating a catchy channel name, creating a compelling channel banner and logo, and filling out your channel description with relevant keywords. Additionally, make sure to organize your playlists and create eye-catching thumbnails to grab viewers' attention. Collaborate with other YouTubers. One of the best ways to gain more subscribers is to collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. By partnering with other creators, you can tap into their audience and gain exposure to a whole new group of potential subscribers. Reach out to other YouTubers and propose collaboration ideas that benefit both parties. Promote your videos. Don't rely solely on YouTube's algorithm to promote your videos. Take matters into your own hands and actively promote your content across social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Share sneak peeks, behind-the-scenes footage, and teasers to entice viewers to click on your videos and subscribe to your channel. Engage with your audience. Lastly, don't forget to engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and interact with your viewers to build a sense of community around your channel. The more you engage with your audience, the more likely they are to become loyal subscribers. By following these expert tips, you'll be well on your way to gaining more subscribers and growing your YouTube channel. Remember, consistency is key, so keep creating and engaging with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy YouTubing.